Welcome, tech enthusiasts and rum aficionados, to the exhilarating digital frontier of the Gadget Rum Club podcast. I'm Focused Dan, your host on this epic journey where groundbreaking technology meets the craftsmanship of premium rum. Imagine a world where every device tells a story, where every gadget is a gateway to new possibilities. That's what we explore here at the Gadget Rum Club podcast. From the sleek lines of the latest smartphones to the intricate workings of smart home devices, we delve into the marvels of modern technology. Think cutting-edge drones capturing breathtaking views, wearable tech that's changing how we interact with the world, and gaming technology that's blurring the lines between reality and virtual reality. But our tech journey doesn't stop at just marveling at these gadgets. We dive into the hows and the whys, the incredible engineering behind each device. We're talking about processors that think faster than ever, displays that bring the world to life in your hands, and artificial intelligence that's reshaping our future. Each episode is a deep dive into the technology that's transforming our lives, with expert insights, hands-on reviews, and a peek into what the future holds. And then there's the rum. Oh, the rum. Each episode features a hand-selected rum rich in history and flavor. We journey from the sun-kissed Caribbean beaches to the ancient European cellars, exploring rums that are as complex and diverse as the gadgets we adore. We savor each note, from the subtle hints of vanilla and oak to the bold flavors of molasses and spice. Our tastings are more than just sips. They're sensory experiences that connect us to the story and tradition behind every bottle. So whether you're a gadget guru, a rum enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Gadget Rum Club podcast is your destination. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest adventures. Expect detailed unboxings, in-depth reviews, exquisite rum tastings, and a community of like-minded individuals. Welcome to the Gadget Rum Club podcast, where technology meets tradition, innovation meets heritage, and every episode is a celebration of progress and pleasure. I'm Focused Dan, thrilled to be your guide on this incredible journey. Let's discover, taste, and enjoy the world of gadgets and rum together on the Gadget Rum Club podcast.